Referential integrity refers to the term where we ensure that correct data and only desired data is maintained in the database. So here the concept actually is referring to the requirement where unwanted data should not be there in the database. If we are not going to deal with certain records, those records should not be existing in any of the tables of the database. That is one aspect of referential integrity. So this is one aspect. Automatic deletion of, or this is called cascade delete also. Cascade delete of records. Cascade means if any record is deleted in the master table, then the matching records in the transaction tables should also be deleted. That's called cascading effect of delete. Let us see the other aspect. In this scenario, the fruit shop owner has decided to change the fruit code of one of the fruits, that is apple. From 102, the fruit code has been changed to 103. So accordingly, in other tables, in the sales table also, the matching fruit codes, that is 102s, all 102s, all the records having the fruit code 102 should have now the code 103. So that should also happen automatically. So this is called update cascade. So we have seen delete cascade and we have seen update cascade. Both are focusing on the objective that desired data and correct data should be stored in the database always. So we have already created fruit table. If you have seen the earlier video, you know how the fruit table had been created. Now let's create the second table, the transaction table, that is sales table. So you know where to go. Create table in design view. Here it is, and all the fields which we had decided for sales table, that I am going to create here. The fruit code, of course, and you might have noticed that I have left the first field blank. The reason is that OpenOffice base forces us to create a primary key in every table. So here I am taking sale count, which will be the count of every transaction in the sales table, and I am taking it as integer type. And there is one property auto value for integer type which I am setting to yes. That means I would not need to enter the value for this field. The value for this field will be incremented automatically as the records will be added to it. We have got both our tables here, fruit table, master table, and sales table, the transaction table. Now let us relate these two tables together on the basis of common fields. We know the common fields, so I go to tools menu, relationships option, and in relationships window here I add both the tables and I connect the fruit code field of fruit table with the fruit code field of sales table. As you see here, this is the relationship thread, and I save the relationship like this. Both the tables are related now. Let us enter some records in sales table. You see auto field is there. I don't have to enter the value there. As I enter one record, the count will be added automatically in the sale count field, as you notice there. Did you notice 106 is the fruit code which is not there in fruit table? So it has thrown an error. Because of the relationship, it is not allowing me any fruit code in sales table which is not there in master table. So this is the advantage of relating the tables. Now let us see this relationship in more detail. Here is the relations dialog box. You can see fruit code of sales is related to fruit code of fruit table. And if you see below, update options and delete options are given. No action has been selected here. But here I am selecting update cascade. You know the concept now. And here I am okaying it. That means any change in the primary key value of the master table will be reflected automatically in the transaction table. So let us enter some records first. Now I'm going to change one of the fruit codes here. 110. 101 I have changed to 110. Any record which is there for 101 in sales table, all those records are now 110. You see here? That is because of update cascade option in the relationships dialog box of the tables. In a similar fashion, we can apply delete cascade. As you see here, I am switching on the option for delete cascade. As we delete a record, let us say code 103, that I am removing from the master table fruit. So all the records for code 103 in sales table will also be removed. So delete cascade and update cascade are very good features in maintaining referential integrity, but at the same time they are very dangerous options also. Since automatic deletions and automatic updates are happening, one has to be very careful before performing delete option, before performing update cascade. So as of now, we have seen update cascade and delete cascade as one very good, very unique features of databases. In the next video, we will learn about how to enter the data into the tables through forms, and we'll also explore various form controls. Keep watching. Thank you.